All right, we have reached our fifth and final week of the class. Here's how we're going to wrap things up. First of all, the usual background links. The first one is the latest and greatest when it comes to climate science news and how countries are addressing this crisis. So make sure you watch that and read over that. And then just some interesting news stories that I have found. One about a TV meteorologist who has faced threats regarding his discussions on climate change. This is actually pretty common with meteorologists. And then Bill Nye, the Science Guy, real interesting video addressing climate change deniers. And that's going to take us to our last set of assignments, your op-ed letters. These are opinion letters that you are going to write to some sort of news outlet or government agency. I have two links here. The first one is a short overview on op-ed letters, and the second one provides more details. And then there's a link to an example of an op-ed letter dealing with climate change. Let's go ahead and open that one. If you scroll down, this is where the letter actually begins. So this gives you an example of the type of letter that I'm looking for you to write. Obviously, I want you to personalize it and make it your own. Then I have some links on how to, if you were really doing this, how do you connect with members of Congress, the state of Virginia's governor's office. Yours would be different if you don't live in Virginia. And then our local Lynchburg paper, the News in Advance. Again, depending on where you are, you would want to find your own paper. Now, I'm not asking you to actually mail off these letters. You're certainly welcome to. This is just to give you some additional info. Below that, some specifics on putting your letter together. Typically, this is going to end up being about 2 pages, probably. Remember to identify who you're writing this to in the opening of your letter. Who's your audience? And that's so I know as much for me as it is for you. Because it's going to be a different type of letter if you're writing to someone who's a politician versus general public, your classmates, other folks here at UL. Follow these guidelines. I do give you the option of using the Wilmer Writing Center. You can click here. If you're going to do that, you want to give yourself some heads up time to accomplish it. There is an extra credit point that you can earn by doing that. And then there's a rubric on what I am using for grading. 2 versions and 2 submissions. You're going to submit a draft version that I will provide feedback on, and then you can modify that. Create a second document. And that second document you'll submit will be your final version. And the reason why you're keeping 2 different documents is that both of these will be uploaded to your ePortfolio. And that will bring your number of files there to 6. Let me know if you have questions. I think this will make sense as you start working on it. Have fun. This is the culmination of this class. It's your opinion. I'm not looking for you to fall completely in line with me. Hopefully, we've made some convincing arguments, but certainly don't write what you think I want to hear. Express your opinion and support it. Thanks a lot. Good luck. I look forward to reading these. And I will let you know when I have provided feedback so that you can have time to modify your draft and provide your final letter. Good luck.